O God, give me strength, wisdom, knowledge, direction, so that I can save humanity from suffering and teach masses the real religion. Jagat Guru Sri Shankaracharya. Book title Jagat Guru Sri Shankaracharya. The world unanimously has recognizes India as a spiritual powerhouse, and being the land of divinity, the world has witnessed the rise of great spiritual personalities on this land from time to time, who quenched the thirst of world in terms of knowledge of the self. But unfortunately, it also happened many times that India was sunk in a quagmire of superstition and scriptural misinterpretations. But nature has its own ways of dealing when the system is on a downfall. Here comes Jagat Guru Shankaracharya, a person who has been widely known as an incarnation of Lord Shiva, the god of change, emerged as one enlightened personality who recognized the unfortunate and gradual depravity of ritualism and complete loss of all embracing underlying message of love and compassion, which was the essence of Sanatana Dharma, a dharma or lifestyle that has been and is forever. At a very early age, he realized his objective of making things right and left home even after lots of resistance from his mother. Jagat Guru Shankaracharya left the world at a very young age, but his achievements were tremendous. Apart from being the champion of Advaita philosophy, everything is one. One of his invaluable contributions towards Hinduism was the reordering and restructuring the ancient sannyas, monk order. This 32-page book will give insight from life events, teachings, lineage, and practices of Jagat Guru Shankaracharya, and is written by the writer who himself followed a similar path of spirituality, being a sage, a visionary, and a reformer of the present age. Few excerpts from the book. The country's current social and religious status when Jagat Guru Shankaracharya emerged in this country, the situation was similar to today. The waking religion inspires to make life grand through high qualities, love, mercy, compassion, generosity, and renunciation, etc., to attain heavenly pleasures through devotion, self-reliance, self-study, satsang, and social service, etc. But at the same time, some chaotic elements made the same religion a means of immorality, exploitation, confusion, and incest. Departure from spiritual practice. Departed from the mother, he proceeded and thought that first I should gain strength by accumulating knowledge and the practice of Atmadarshan, realizing the self, which can influence people, and gave him the strength to work patiently in the struggle. Shankaracharya realized the need for a qualified guide for this purpose. Without strengthening the spiritual power, it will not be possible to organize nations' spiritual beliefs. The effect of Jagat Guru's tenacity and practice is that this tradition has continued even today. Topics covered are as follows: the precise life story of Jagat Guru Shankaracharya, education, India religious and social conditions at that time, departure of sadhana and education, presenting the religion true form, reopening of Saraswati, the goddess of art, literature and knowledge temple, establishment of fourth dharma, big effort for big things,